here's my grocery haul for the week for the meals that I have planned. They are a keto lifestyle, low carb lifestyle recipes, and then I'll be putting one of those together and sharing those with you in the very near future. I'm going to start with all the cold items and get those into the refrigerator. I think I needed some cauliflower. How about you? 5 heads of cauliflower, 1 bunch of celery, 2 bunches of green onions, there's 4 bell peppers, lemon, and a head of cabbage. 18 eggs, 2 packages of the peeled and ready to eat hard-boiled eggs, 2 pounds of the Fiesta blend cheese, 2 Monterey Jack cheese, and then 1 package of the pepper jack, 1 package of the fully cooked thick bacon, 5 pounds of hamburger meat, and some boneless, skinless chicken breast. And I have a couple more of refrigerated items over here. 2 cartons of the Great Value heavy whipping cream, and then 2 cartons of the chicken broth, 1 carton of the beef broth, dill relish, chunky salsa, Dijon mustard, 4 cans of the diced tomatoes, 4 cans of the tomato paste, 1 can of the sliced olives, 1 loaf of the Bake Louis Shop keto bread, and then 2 of the 12 pack of the A&W root beer zero sugar. This week's grocery haul. And then 1 pack of the Sam's Purified Drinking Water. So there we have it. That's my grocery haul for the week for 2 people. And tons of keto / low carb lifestyle meal plan for this. I'd forgotten to add these 2 items that are freezer items that already been put in the freezer, and then Ken had taken this one next door to the shop and put it in the refrigerator freezer next door. These are Ken's, that's why he took them on over to the shop, because I don't eat those. Jimmy Dean English muffin, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Whew, that was a mouthful. And then Ken also eats these too. The Brown and Serve originally fully cooked sausage links. And that total, is that not ridiculous now for groceries? Oh my gosh, crazy, crazy, crazy. And that's just 2 of us. I will say though, the keto low carb meals, we usually get leftovers. I don't know how to cook for just 2, but that's okay because it gives us leftovers. So there we have it. There is my grocery haul for this week. So I have some items that will carry us on over into this week's meal plan, such as the sour cream. That the top one's about emptied, the bottom one's full. It's not been opened yet. I have tons of almond milk, Almond Breeze unsweetened milk. Just open that heavy whipping cream. 2 blocks of the cream cheese. I have 2 cartons of butter out in the fridge in the garage that I'll bring in. So I have butter for this week. I have some mozzarella left. I have a little bit of the Fiesta blend left for this week's meal plan. In this bag I have 3 jalapeno peppers left. So I have a few things to carry me on over into this week that sort of kind of helps save on the final total. And I have tons of spring waters out in the garage. We didn't have to buy any of those this week. I'll have to take these back over to the shop. For now, I'm just going to put them in the freezer here at the house. This freezer is kind of bare. So this freezer's bare because I use the freezer out in the garage for the most part. I'll bring foods in from the freezer out in the garage that I'm going to use that night. So there's some ricotta cheese that I am making a pizza in the bowl. the pepperoni ricotta cheese. There's my extra butter that I have out here. A few protein drinks and a couple of the whipping cream. So that kind of helps on the grocery bill. So having those extras that were left over or not used last week, I roll into this week. I went ahead and brought in the pepperoni from the refrigerator out in the garage, as well as the butter, my ricotta cheese. So this is the recipe I'm putting together tonight. It's super easy breezy. We've had it a couple times before, enjoyed it, and in the past we've had leftovers. I told Ken I need to get my nails done, so when I'm doing videos I can do tap, 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 show, 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 stroke, 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 crest, 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 rub, 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 tap, tap, tap. Thinking I'm doing an Instagram reel and forget I'm doing a video. I've not seen this one. The deer with the welcome. Yeah, I like it. I want these. He said I could have them. I said, I want these. I said, you said I could have them. How long would it take to make me some?
Not long.
Don't you have a smaller one? A nutcracker?
Yeah, it's red. It's over in the house.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that's if he accepts it, that will be an actual door.
That little bitty thing?
No, the big one.
Oh. We got mail. So I thought they were gonna be heavy, but they're not. Hello. I'm actually carrying them with one hand, so they're not heavy at all. I just thought they were going to be. No. A couple of these are really from Amazon, and I have a feeling somebody reused an Amazon box. Just exactly what we do too.